In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly place an order using the cash on delivery option on the Temu app or website. This convenient payment method allows you to pay with cash only when your items arrive at your doorstep, making online shopping even more accessible and worry-free. To begin, make sure you're on the Temu platform, whether it's through the app or the website accessed via Chrome. If you haven't yet, open the Temu app on your mobile device or launch the website on your computer. It's essential to ensure you're on a secure internet connection, as this will aid in protecting your personal data. Next, browse through the vast selection of products available on Temu and add your desired items to your shopping cart. Whether you're looking for the latest tech gadgets, stylish clothing, or home essentials, Temu offers a variety of products that cater to all your needs. As you explore, simply click the Add to Cart button for each item you wish to purchase. You can view your cart at any time to verify your selections or to remove any items that you might have added by mistake. Once you're sure of your purchase choices, proceed to checkout. It's here that you'll confirm all the details of your order before finalizing it. Double check the items listed in your cart to ensure they are indeed the ones you want to purchase. Now comes the crucial part, selecting your payment method. Scroll through the options and choose Cash on Delivery, often referred to as COD. This method is particularly beneficial if you prefer not to pay online or if you want to inspect the goods upon delivery before handing over the payment. Next, make sure your shipping address is accurate. Verify this information carefully to avoid any shipping complications. Temu usually saves your default address details, but it's always a good idea to confirm or update them as needed. Having the correct delivery address ensures that your package will arrive at the right location without delay. After confirming your address, go ahead and place the order. Temu will generate an order confirmation, typically sent to your provided email or phone number. Be sure to keep this information handy, as it'll provide all necessary details about your purchase and expected delivery time. Finally, since you've selected the code option, prepare the exact cash amount for when the delivery arrives at your door. Having the correct amount on hand simplifies the process and ensures a smooth transaction with the delivery personnel. And that's it! You've successfully placed an order using cash on delivery on Temu. This method not only provides convenience, but also reassures peace of mind, giving you the flexibility to pay only when your items arrive. Happy shopping!